It's amazing what praises can do, you know. Yeah, man, make a joyful noise, you know. Make a joyful noise and be grateful, you know. Jah live and reigns all the time. Make a joyful noise. Yeah. Make a joyful noise unto the Lord, all ye land, you know. It's amazing what praises can do. Sun is shining, the weather is what a beautiful view. Yeah, man. What a view, magical fam. Yeah, man. It's an amazing feelings to just look out in nature, you know. And to know that all of this and I is one, you know. Knowing that I connect with all of this, looking out in nature and knowing that I am nature too, looking out in nature and seeing all the natural creation by God, you know. And knowing that I am natural creation by God, you know. All I can do is give thanks, you know. I'm ungrateful for all of this. Yeah, riches of life, you know. Just from the perspective of this amazing view, you know. Giving thanks. For he that dwelleth in the secret place of the Most High shall abide under the shadow of the Almighty, you know. Great sunrise. The sun is shining. The weather is, yeah man, the weather is good, you know. Yeah man, just listening to the birds, you know. You all have a productive day. Yeah man, whatever it is where you are, have a productive one, you know. I man, I say, one love out of Jamaica, you know. One God, one aim, one destiny, you know. Fix up life, you know. Magical laws out. Mommy, just pray for me. Mama, just pray for me. Mama, just pray for me.
Mommy, just pray for me. Mommy, just pray for me.